I'm Kim White with Keller Williams, sitting here in the KW studios. We're so excited to have Keith Reno here with one of the Reno team brothers of Wintrust, right?
Thank you.
So they're actually on the SCV Best Of list, right, right now? So
yes,
you can vote for you guys.
Please vote for us, yeah.
Yeah, that's so awesome. So we only have the best here on my team. Anyways, I asked Keith to come in here to talk to us about what's going on as far as loans go and how to get in a house for not a lot of money, especially if you had like a foreclosure or short sale last 3 years ago, and you know we all want to get into a house with like nothing down. So I know you have the trick, so I'm just gonna let you like just ramble and tell us what do buyers need to know, what are the rates, what are some tricks right now, like how can I get in for $5 into $1 million home? I mean, what can I do to get into a house? Okay, go, babes.
Might be a little more than $5, but with FHA financing, it's one of our most popular products out there. If you've had a short sale, a foreclosure, or bankruptcy in the past, the waiting periods on a short sale or foreclosure are only 3 years, so we all know 3 years can come and go pretty quick. If you have a little bit more down, like 20%, then those time frames can actually be shortened. Wintrust, we're actually going to be rolling out a new product this week, or at the latest this upcoming week, but with 20% down, credit score of 660 or higher. We can do financing 1 day out of short sale, 1 day out of foreclosure. So contact me for more details on that. I think that's going to be a huge thing for our customers. Probably one of the most popular products right now we're seeing in the market is the lender-paid mortgage insurance. So you might hear lenders or credit unions advertising no mortgage insurance. We're certainly doing that as well with 5% down or 10% down on the conventional financing, where we're bumping up the interest rate an eighth to 1/4%. So it only makes up like a $25, maybe a $50 difference in the monthly payment, but we're avoiding several $100s of mortgage insurance, and that's been huge for our customers.
That is huge. I mean, that's money in your pocket.
It's a car payment.
Yeah, that's a car payment. Or eating, or going out, drinking, or something. So let me ask you, what is, like, if everybody seems to be rebuilding their credit.
Yeah.
What is the lowest credit FICO score that you could have, basically, to get you into a home? Is it 620?
620. 620 is really the benchmark. If we can get you above 640, even better. Especially with the conventional financing, every 20 points is a little different bracket of interest rates, or with less than 20% down, maybe a little different bracket of mortgage insurance. And we're super familiar with credit, as I know you are. So that's where I always express to our potential customers, get pre-approved right now, see what you can do, make sure you have the right plan in place, and then that way I can share, potentially with you, what you might be able to do to improve your credit, make sure we're getting you the best loan possible.
And it does benefit to get your credit up, because I actually personally start cleaning up my credit and went up 27 points in 30 days.
Yeah, that's
that's a huge. I'm like, all right, so I'm gonna have to get with you and get a loan pretty soon. So, what else you got for us out there?
You know what? I think that sums up rates. Let's talk on rates. Rates on the 30-year fix, rates are in the low to mid 4s. I always have to disclose APR, so APR in the low to mid 4s, which is phenomenal. We're still like right next or very close to the historic low. It's still highly anticipated that rates are going to start to tick up as we get closer to 2015. So what I always share with our customers is every 1% increase in interest rate can affect someone's purchasing power by 10%. Which is huge. So with the market still trending upwards, and I think, as you can touch on this, we'll continue to do so for the next several years, and interest rates trending upwards, the bang for the buck that a buyer's going to get now is going to be much, much greater compared to a year down the road.
Okay, because that's what everybody's like waiting. Like, I want rates might go down. I want to wait it out. Is this the time to buy right now?
This is the time. I think they will continue to wait if that's what they're waiting on. I don't see that happening.
Okay, so it's now you get do it now or forget about it, or buy a little shack later on for more money, which we don't want to do. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and just coming in here and giving us a quick little to do, because I know people are always like wondering. And how can they contact you if they want to start getting? Can they just get pre-approved with you with like no money down, or they don't have to charge you or anything?
We don't have any cost or obligation up front. If you just have a general question or want to pick my brain, call me. My direct line rings on my cell phone, 661-513-3118, or our website, renoteam.com.
And they're awesome. They just put people in, and you've just made so many people happy. Recently, I just closed the deal for me. So, and they closed on time, so it's just so great. So she was so happy. So thank you so much for stopping by. And again, I'm Kim White, so definitely check us out here. If you guys are ready to buy or sell, we can help you out. Thanks. Bye.